So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will show you how you can install OS Thread in your Linux system. So for downloading OS Thread in your Linux system, what you need to do, you just need to open your browser. Okay, if you have Firefox or any other Chrome browser or any other search engine, then just open it and then you need to search Thread GitHub. Okay, so you can get that particular repo, but I will just use the link. Okay, directly I will give the link in description. You can just follow that and you can fall in this particular page as I am going in. Okay, so you will land in this particular page and you will see a repo, okay, which is OS Thread desktop. Okay, so now you need to just scroll down, and by scrolling down you will see that option is there, release folder in blue. Okay, so just need to click there. Okay, so it will list all the app images with these different extensions. Okay, supported by different way of installing. Okay, so here is .app image, .dmg, .npm, .deb and .snap, zip, like that. Okay, so I will install .deb. Accordingly you can choose and install as per your wish. So after installing this, as I have already installed, so you need to open your terminal here. Okay, so the .deb file is installed. You need to check that. For checking, I will go in downloads folder, because all files are in downloads folder only. So here is Thread 1.2.0 amd64.deb. So now I need to install this. So I will give a command sudo apt install / and the name of that particular .deb file. Okay, so here I will give that particular command and it will be installed after a few seconds. It will take few seconds as per your device, and then it will be installed. As I have already installed this, so it will show like Thread is already in the newest version. Okay, in 1.2.0. okay, so it is already installed here in I have already installed. Okay, so you can follow this and you can install it in your Linux system. Okay, so what is the use of this particular OS Thread is to make different models. Okay, to create diagrams, models, and to guess. Okay, and how you can mitigate that particular threads. Okay, you can create and mitigate that thread. Basically you are doing the mitigation program. Okay, you are thinking in broader manner how we can solve a particular problem. So like, what is Thread I have shown you how you can open it. If you want a full video on this, I can make it in the full video of Thread just comment it in comment box. Okay, so here you can see the Thread is a free open source cross-platform threat modeling application, including system diagram, rule engine, auto-generate threat mitigation in OS incubator project. Okay, so it is used for creating threat models. Okay, so hopefully you get the full information. Thanks for watching. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.